Welcome to Orca Book Publishers' Spring 21 Board Books and Picture Books. Pride Puppy by Robin Stevenson and Julie McLaughlin. This rhyming alphabet book tells a lively story with rich, colorful illustrations that will have readers poring over every detail as they spot items starting with each letter of the alphabet. An affirming and inclusive book that offers a joyful glimpse of a pride parade and the vibrant community that celebrates this day each year. Come, Read With Me by Margriet Ruurs and Christine Way. In this picture book about stories and reading, contemporary children are whisked through an imaginary world while interacting with characters from classic fairy tales. Leopold's Leotard by Rhiannon Wallace and Risa Hugo. A delightful picture book about a young boy who finds himself feeling too restricted during his year-end dance recital. The Sun is a Shine by Leslie A. Davidson and Slavka Kolesar. Children around the world give thanks to the sun, moon, wind, lightning, and other natural elements in this poetic board book. Raymond the Buffalo by Beauchesne and Kate Chappell. In this illustrated early chapter book, a buffalo falls out of a child's favorite storybook and ends up living in the local library. City Baby by Laurie Elmquist and Ashley Barron. A poetic board book that reminds Baby of all the joys of living in a bustling big city. My Heart Beats by Rina Singh. A photographic board book that features the sounds of heartbeats from around the world. Nye Sand and Stones by Bree Galbraith and Marion Arbona. A young girl challenges destructive behavior from the citizens of an island of stones that the rest of her community on an island of sand has been accepting since the beginning of time. For more information about these and all of Orca's Spring 21 titles, visit orcabook.com.